So this is an unboxing of my new laptop I bought for myself. It's the Dell XPS13. Video editing John here. I just realised how bad the angle is for this video. I do apologise, and please enjoy. Bought this for a number of reasons. So firstly, because I've just given my sister my old desktop. It's fairly spec'd out desktop that I gave to her. And then secondly, because I needed a sort of I didn't need, but I wanted a fairly newer Windows laptop for working in uni, because a lot of the work in uni is on Windows, and I currently only have mainly use Macs at home. So I have a MacBook Pro and an iMac and then a Mac Mini, and they're good for what they are, but then when you come to trying to work, do work and stuff like that, and being in uni, they're looking for a lot of work done on a Windows machine. It's handier to work on the same operating system and with the same applications, so I wanted a Windows machine. And then what was the other reason why? There was a couple of other reasons why. What were they? And gave my sister, and then yeah, I currently have a sort of aging Surface Pro 3, which is also it's high spec, but for the time, but just now it's sort of a wee bit older than what I need. It's also lacking in space because it was only a 128 gig solid state drive, whereas so it's filled up really quickly, so I wanted something with 256 gig, sort of to match the rest of my computers. Right, why did I choose the Dell XPS13? Sort of, I was looking at a number of different machines. I was looking at the Razer Blade 13, the stealth version, and a couple of other different ones, and this one sort of stood out to me. They're, for a number of reasons, sort of a mixture of the specs and stuff, and what else was there? The Thunderbolt 3. I had Thunderbolt 3, so it would match up with a lot of the accessories that my MacBook and my Mini have. I'm planning on getting either an eGPU or a dock for it, so then it's a one cable sort of solution, because the room that I'm in at home is tiny. It's a wee box room, as you can see here. It's dinky. I would sort of, with limited size, there's a limited size desk. I'm going to make a video later on sort of showing my desk, but at the moment I want to show this. Also, what was it? I went for the XPS13, the 13-inch, sort of to match the same size as my MacBook Pro. It's a 2017 13-inch, so having another 13-inch is handy for portability. And then what was the other thing? I had went for the late 2019 version of the XPS13. They have came out with sort of the past couple of months the 2020 version. I didn't go for it for 2 or 3 reasons. Number one was that the 2019 version had 3 USB-C ports, whereas the 2020 version had 2. Secondly was the price. This is cheaper than the equivalent spec in the 2020 version, so I thought, because I'm a student, I couldn't justify paying that wee bit more just for the newer model. Not that there was much difference in it, and then also the fact that the specs were fairly similar. I think it's a slightly different i5 model, but they're both on the 10th gen Intel processors, so it might be a slightly different SKU, but the speeds and stuff will be equivalent. They'll be maybe slightly faster on the new one, but a negligible difference for the price. Yeah, so let's get opening this thing. Let's get into unboxing this thing. I'll use my phone camera in a wee bit to get some closer shots of different things. So let's just cut this thing open. Got a top down cam, hopefully it'll come out okay. I'm using my GoPro up there clamped to my bedding, or not to my bedding, to my cupboard shelf. So use this with a knife. Close that up. Right. So here we go. So first thing we come to is a load of foam. There you go. And start off with in here. So there's a power brick, Thunderbolt 3 cable, not Thunderbolt 3, USB-C, power brick. Oh wow, that is tiny. Let's show you up close now. I will use my phone here. So that's the power brick, the power cable, power brick, and then they also include, which I like, which Apple should take a note of, is a USB-C one end to the Thunderbolt, or not, Thunderbolt 3, I don't know where I'm getting that from, the USB-A. I wish Apple included that. So that's sort of that. Well, I'm making these up and sort of assemble it, but wow, that is a tiny power brick for feel. Don't unwind this because it's well wound up. I'm glad it goes back. Get all this peel off. That is a small power brick. I knew Dell were going that way. They've done some really nice work of Dell machines and laptops, and the power bricks in it. I thought it was tiny, but this is even smaller. This is even smaller than my Surface's one. And it's a nice USB-C cable on the end, which I like. Then that's one cable to charge both my MacBook and my PC laptop. So wind you back up because I sort of want to keep you together for the meantime. Set you aside. Here. Great British plug. Can go there for adapter, and nice USB-C to USB cable. Will come in handy, although I have enough of them, like I have tons of them now. I've had a MacBook for longer years now. It needs them. So here we go, here's the device itself. Oh wow. That is gorgeous. Really nice box actually. Not on an Apple level, no, but it's close. Very well put together box. So there's the device itself. Hip. Wow, that is thin. On my MacBook was thin. Ooh, and it's nice feeling. Just all the sort of paperwork gumph. Toss that side, like that, and we'll put it back on the box. Toss it aside. It can go on my wee box shrine up above. So let's see, here's the device itself out in the lap. Really nice actually. It's a really nice laptop. Right, let's do the old peel. Make it effective to do that. Do you. And you. Oh, that is nice. Really nice actually. I like it. Oh wow, I love that carbon fibre feel to it, it's brilliant. So it's nice aluminium build. I love this carbon fibre palm rest. And the fingerprint sensor. And the flip, there's a tiny webcam. And then we'll close it again. Look how thin this thing is. So there's one of the USB-C, that's this USB-C, that's the one with the knockoff Thunderbolt. And then the headphone jack and the SD card reader. And on this side it's the two Thunderbolt 3 and this here thing, which is the power indicator. Tells you how much power. Got just over half a charge. And then a Kensington lock port. So yeah, no, that's a lovely device. So I'm going to use it for a week or so, and then I'm going to do a review of it. So this is my first ever sort of unboxing and going up on this channel, and tell me what you think of it and if there's anything I can do differently about it. I've used a number of different angles and stuff. Hope everything comes out okay. I hate editing my own voice and my looking at myself, but hey, we'll give it a go and we'll see how it comes out. Yeah, that's it, and we'll see you in the next video, which I think will be a sort of workspace desk setup video. I did one in the past. I did it without my voice, but I did it sort of a montage of what was on my desk, and it's changed substantially. I've changed bedroom since then, and I have changed sort of how I use my desk and what I'm using it for, so it will be a sort of interesting video. I think I have quite a clean desk setup, so might give people some ideas. So yeah, hopefully this video came out okay.